This video looks at how to control clearances and board constraints in a Proteus Aries layout software. All design rules are set using the DesignRulesManager command on the Technology menu. There are 3 tabs on the dialog form, one for the design rules, one for the net classes, and one for setting and updating the defaults. The default design rules can be thought of as a minimum manufacturing specification for the board, and therefore apply to all layers and all net classes. To create a design rule, you first click on the New button and then enter a name for the rule. You then have options to restrict the design rule to be active only on a specific layer and also to be active only with respect to a specific net class. Finally, you can set the desired clearances for the design rule. If you are done at this point, click OK to leave the dialog and apply the rule. By default, a layout is given a power net class and a signal net class. Any net in ICs with a power terminal gets the power net class, and anything else gets a signal net class. You can add to this setup by creating your own net classes. Simply right-click a wire in ICs and select the wire label command from the resulting context menu. The Net Class tab allows you to set trace and wire styles to be used for connections, and also the layer sets for the auto router. Once you have finished setting up design rules, click the OK button to exit the dialog form. The Aries software will then use this information for both auto routing and live error checking of the layout. For example, if you move a track to an illegal position, you instantly get a message saying there is a DRC error. If you dismiss this, at the bottom of the screen we have 4 DRC errors listed in the message box. If you click on the error message, you can see which rules have been broken and how they have been broken. If you double click on the error itself, Aries will zoom into the point where the problem occurred. If you right click on an error, we can suppress it. This provides a designer override to the rules. Of course, in this particular example, it's easy to see where the problem was. However, in a very complex layout, this is a powerful tool in order to find and fix errors quickly.